Welcome to Princeton Manor, a cute neighborhood just 15 minutes from downtown Raleigh. If you are looking for privacy, convenience, and a great neighborhood with sidewalks, I have the perfect house for you. Let's take a look. As you enter the home, the formal dining room is a showstopper, highlighted by coffered ceilings and expansive trim work. It's seamlessly connected to the kitchen through a convenient Butler pantry. The kitchen features granite counters, gas stove, and a large center island with tile surround. Unwind in the cozy living room, complete with a warm gas fireplace, or enjoy the light-filled sunroom. Upstairs is a versatile loft providing the perfect opportunity to entertain. The balcony porch is a great place to hang out and unwind after a long day. The oversized primary suite is a great retreat featuring a tray ceiling and a nook. The private en-suite bath includes dual vanities, a soaking tub, and a separate walk-in shower for a spa-like experience. Adjoined by a spacious walk-in closet with direct access to the laundry room. Outside, you'll find a large deck, perfect for outdoor dining, entertaining, or simply enjoying the fresh air. This home is situated on a primary fenced lot backing up to a protected area, giving ample privacy and stunning views. Additional storage can be found in your Crawlspace with a custom workbench. This location is perfect, just minutes to downtown Raleigh and conveniently located near Knightdale Station Park, Harper Park, and plenty of walking trails. If you want more information about this property, reach out to the Coley Group today.